November the 5th. I'm recording this video on November the 9th. These came already. Goat app. How? Like, what in the world? How did these sneakers get here so fast from Goat? And this is not an instant ship. Not at all. This is a used pair of sneakers that my brother purchased from Goat app. I already have the shoe. My brother wanted a pair, so he bought them from Goat app, bought a clean. He said they were clean. We'll take a look and see. He said he bought a clean, worn pair from Goat app. On November 5th, he placed that order. Today's the 9th, and they showed up. Wow, that is fast. That is extremely fast, man. How many business days really is that? Not including the weekend. He bought them on the 5th, which was Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday doesn't even count. And they came today, the 9th. 1, 2, 3. Today's the 4th day and they're here already. How is that even possible? How is that possible? I don't understand. Because when you buy shoes on Goat without instant ship, the seller ships them to Goat, and then Goat verifies it's real, and then they send them off to you, the buyer. How did that happen in 4 days? And Sunday's included in that? That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Let's take a look. Let's see what my brother purchased inside of this box. But before we do that, I just want to take a second and remind you guys to enter in the Royal Toe Jordan 1 giveaway. I'm giving these away, brand new size 10.5, teaming up with Affordable Shoe Review here on YouTube. So all you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button, subscribe to Affordable Shoe Review here on YouTube, follow us both on Instagram, and then when you're on my Instagram, you'll see the giveaway post with me holding the Royal Toes. On that post, just like the post, tag 2 friends, and that is it. You are entered. I'm going to leave all the giveaway details down below in the description. Those are brand new size 10.5. Make sure you guys check that out. These came fast, man. Extremely fast from Goat. I don't understand how. Because the last time I've ordered from Goat, actually the last 2 times I've ordered from Goat, I've had problems. Straight up. I just don't understand. I don't get it. My last problem with Goat was that I placed an order about a month before the shoe even released, actually for the Mocha 1s, and 3 weeks later, Goat cancels my order. I don't understand. It took 3 weeks for them just to cancel my order and give me my money back when they said that the shoe was already at Goat waiting for authentication. I just don't understand that. And then before that, I bought a pair of Yeezy Carbons before the release date. They didn't come with the extra laces when they're supposed to. So, I don't know, man. I've been having some problems with them, but my brother orders and no problems. I just don't understand. And he gets the shoes in just 4 days without instant ship? I don't get it. Is that unheard of? Is that extremely fast, or is that me? I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know. We got a bunch of tissue paper falling out. Let me know what you guys, have been going on with Goat. What's been going on with Goat with you? Let me know down below. We do have a pair of Yeezy 700s right here. But this is, in my opinion, the best colorway. The absolute best colorway of the Yeezy 700. The original box. I'm not even sure if this is the original box. Colorway looks a little weird. I don't remember the original box. Oh, it is the original box. Okay. So right here we have, whoop, falling out from Goat. We got the Goat verified authentic card. These things reek. Oh my god. They reek like cigarettes. Oh my god. Wow. It's overwhelming. I know you guys can't smell it. I wish you could. Jeez. I never understood that. Why do people that smoke cigarettes, why do they always, their shoes always smell like cigarettes? I never understood that. I don't know, man. I wouldn't use sneakers before, and they smell like cigarettes sometimes. And Goat should not allow sneakers that smell like cigarettes or anything else through. Like, they should deny it. They reek. Wow. As soon as I open the box. But we do have a pair of the Yeezy 700 Wave Runners. He did pay retail plus shipping for them. So he got them for $300 used, which is retail. $12 shipping. And I believe that they're reselling for around $450, so I guess he got them for a decent price. Oh, yeah. Oh, why did I do that just now? Oh my god. I'll be right back. Okay. Oh my god. Overwhelming smell. Goat app, why do you guys let shoes that reek like cigarettes through? You should automatically be denying that. Oh my god, they reek. Okay, I'm gonna have to have him spray some repellent or some type of spray in these shoes because they reek. It's overwhelming as soon as I open the box. Oh my god, that is disgusting. After all, we do have the Wave Runners, but man, they reek. Oh my god, I gotta put them down. Wow, I wish you guys could smell this. I know it sounds like I'm overreacting. Looks like I am. I'm really not. I promise you. We do have the Goat card. Guys, they reek. like cigarette smoke. Like, why do people that smoke cigarettes got their shoes reek like cigarettes? I don't understand that. If you do smoke cigarettes, please let me know down below, why do your shoes tend to smell? Not everyone, obviously, but a lot of the times I've bought used shoes and the person smokes and their shoes just reek like cigarette smoke. Like, are you smoking inside the shoe, blowing the smoke into the shoe? I just don't understand. I have to, you know, keep my distance away. They reek. Yeah, we do have the Wave Runners. They're a worn pair. There's some midsole creasing and whatnot, dirty bottoms and whatnot, but he did get them for retail, so not bad. Goat, you gotta do better, man. On used shoes, if they reek like cigarettes, you should not be letting them slide. You really should not be letting them slide. Oh my god, it's so overwhelming. I gotta put them down. I gotta end this, man. These things stink. I wish you guys can tell. I gotta toss them. I gotta get them out of my room ASAP. They reek really bad. I do have my pair right here of Wave Runners, which my pair is a little bit cleaner than the pair he bought, but I also paid a little bit more money, which I also bought from Goat App, but mine does not smell like cigarettes at all, which is amazing. Wave Runners, though. Good shoe, but Goat, man, you guys gotta do better. Why do they stink? They reek like cigarettes. Damn. Overwhelming. I hope you guys enjoyed this video some way, somehow. If you did, drop a comment, drop a like, hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram and on Twitter. I will be doing more giveaways on Instagram. That's where I hold the giveaways. So if you love sneaker giveaways, give me a follow on Instagram. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out. Oh my god. They stink, man.